Technology surrounds us. It influences how we live, communicate, and work. From medical advancement to the gadget we use every day, it stands as one of the strongest forces shaping human progress. However, technology is more than just innovation. It mirrors the values and decisions we make. The question is, how do we use it wisely? In this video, we'll look at how technology affects our daily life, the ethical questions it raises, and the principle we should follow to make sure it benefits people in purposeful and passive ways. But first, let's uncover both the advantages and drawbacks it brings to our society. Let's begin.
These are the following positive impacts of technology in our society. Let's start with number one. Improve communication. Technology connects people instantly through the phone, social media, and the internet. Make easier sharing ideas. Number two, better access to education. Online learning platforms, digital tools help students teacher access knowledge anytime, anywhere. Three, advancement in healthcare. Modern machine, medicine, telemedicine improves diagnosis, treatment, and overall quality of care.
For the negative impacts, here are the following examples, included by social isolation. While technology aims to connect people, it can also lead to social isolation. Over-reliance on social media and virtual interactive can result in feelings of loneliness and disconnection from real-world relationships. Reduce face-to-face interaction, cyberbullying, loneliness and depression. Second, worker displacement. Automation and advancement in AI are causing job displacement. As machines become more efficient or performing tasks previously done by humans, this can lead to unemployment and financial instability for many workers. Automation of routine tasks, AI and machine learning, economic disparity.
Misinformation. It refers to incorrect or misleading information. For example, Twitter. It's allowing unverified claims about health crises to spread rapidly. Cyberbullying. It's a form of harassment or bullying using digital platforms like social media, messaging apps, gaming platforms, and forums. Being responsible in using technology and careful with our data, we make sure that technology stays safe, helpful, and good for everyone.
When we use technology, we need to remember that it comes with responsibility. Technology can help us in so many ways, like in schools, work, and even talking with our family and friends. But if we don't use it properly, it can also cause harm. Being responsible means thinking first before we post, share, or comments. We should not spread fake news because it can mislead people. We should also avoid copying others' people's work or pictures without asking because that is unfair to the person who owns it. Using technology in the right way help us grow, learn, and connect with others in a positive way. Now, let's talk about data privacy. The information we put online like our name, birthday, address, or password is very important to keep safe. We should not share these details with strangers or unsafe websites. For example, if an app or website asks for too much information, we should stop and think if it's safe. It is also important to use strong passwords and not give our accounts to anyone. By keeping our personal information private, we protect our scams, hackers, or other risks online.
Guidelines for appropriate use. First, balance use. Don't be overly dependent. Take digital detox breaks. Second, verify information. Fact check before sharing online. Third, respect privacy. Don't misuse or overshare personal data. Fourth, promote inclusivity. Support technology that helps everyone, not just that privileged.
Next, be environmentally mindful. Gadgets consume energy and create waste. Recycling and saving power helps reduce the environmental impact. Number 6, use for good. Technology should improve our education, health, and careers instead of just being used for entertainment. Number 7, be ethical online. We must act responsibly on the internet by avoiding plagiarism, cyberbullying, and hacking. With that, I am here to remind you all that technology should be used responsibly by balancing screen time, protecting privacy, and verifying information, and it should support learning, inclusivity, environmental care, and respectful online communication.
As we've seen, technology is powerful. It can educate, connect, and even save lives. However, it depends on the user, because technology can also harm, misinform, or isolate people if it's used carelessly. That's why being mindful and ethical in our use of technology is so important. Whether it's practicing digital citizenship, protecting our privacy, avoiding misinformation, or simply knowing when to unplug. We all have a role in making sure technology works for us and not against us. At the end of the day, technology should always serve humanity, not the other way around. Think smart, act responsible, use technology to build and not to break. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to reflect on how to use technology every day.